I want to talk to employees. Now, the truth of the matter is there's nothing wrong in being an employee. Do you understand that? Because everybody cannot be a business owner. But there are some certain people who are in the category of an employee at the moment, but they don't have a business being an employee because they have visions, they have dreams, they have goals, they have things they want to accomplish. Do you understand that? Now, employees are different. There are some people that maybe they are bank managers or they earn over £1 million per month. Those are not ordinary employees. Do you understand it? So even you as a business owner, you might not even be doing as good as them because they travel abroad for vacation, their children attend the best of schools, they have official cars, they live in official house, and they earn good money. Some of them 2 million per month, not even per annum, per month. So I'm not talking about those kind of employees. You understand it? So those ones are in another category entirely. But I'm talking to employees who earn six figures between 150,000, 100,000, 200,000 naira. If your salary is within that range, that category, those are the kind of people I'm talking to. So if you belong to that set of people right now where you earn six figure below, or your salary is just within that range, 200,000, 150,000, like that. So if you belong to that category, I want to talk to you today. Let's start with house rent. Now, most of the time, do you know that no matter the amount you earn, you could set yourself up for failure if at the end of the day you go and rent a place that your annual rent or your monthly salary cannot pay your annual rent. Or how will I put it? You find yourself in a place where you're living in a house, even your 6 month salary cannot pay your house rent. That's a big problem. Do you understand that? So on a good day, no matter how worse it is, let's say you are an employee, your 2 months salary should be able to pay your house rent, your yearly house rent. Your 2 months salary should be able to pay it. So let's say worst come to worst, your 3 months salary should be able to pay your house rent. So if you find yourself whereby you're living in a place where even your 3 months salary cannot pay your house rent, that means you are biting more than you can chew. Do you understand that? So you are doing more than your power can carry. You are doing beyond yourself. That's what it means. So which means even if you gather your 3 months salary, you can't pay your house rent, then you have no business living in that kind of house. Do you understand it? So now, secondly, let's now take it to school fees now. In Lagos now, the average, I know there are schools that pay about £1 million for school fees, 400,000 for school fees, but let's just come to the average. Let's come to the average man now. The average school fees in Lagos is about 60,000 naira for primary school. So now, if you now have 3 children, now think about it, you have 3 children, that's almost 180 already. Is over your salary. Do you understand it? So how are you going to cope? Now, before you now talk about vacation, you talk about family trip, giving your wife monthly allowance, your life is going to be miserable. You discover that by the time you collect your salary, or even before you collect the salary is gone. So how long are you going to live that way? How long are you going to live that way? So if you are someone who you have dreams, you have ambitions, you have things you want to accomplish, you have places you want to go, you see yourself becoming great, but at the moment you are in a paid job, those are the kind of people I'm talking to. Those are the kind of people I want to address this morning. So it's not a bad thing to be in that state. That was where I was some years ago, some months ago. That was where I was. I found myself in a paid job. My salary was 120,000 naira. While I was doing that job, I was trading Forex. So now Forex trading helped me to be able to exit. And that is what I want to talk to you about. And now I've been able to build the instant dollar course, IDC, instant dollar course. This course is going to help you that within 1 week, you're going to start earning in dollars within 1 week. 7 days within 1 week, which means if you enroll for the course today, by this time next week you'll start earning in dollars if you fund the account. Do you understand it? It's as simple as that. That is what the course is aimed at. Now let's even talk about the inflation rates. Let's talk about the naira exchange rate with the dollar. Every day the naira keeps crashing and the dollar keeps increasing. So how are you going to cope? how are you going to cope if you are in that category where you are earning 150, and with the way the economy is going, how are you going to cope? You can never cope. It's not a curse, you can't cope. So the only wisest thing to do is to look for how you can start earning in dollars so that you can meet with global standards. So if you're interested in enrolling in this course to learn how it works and how you can come in, or I can be of help, just click the link in my bio to register for IDC Instant Dollar Course, or send me a DM right away. I'll be glad to help you through your exit journey, leaving your paid job and start fulfilling your dream. Look at me right here now. I'm chilling here. Chilling. While some people are hustling. I'm not mocking them, but I'm just telling you what is possible with Forex trading if you have the right knowledge and you have someone to guide you.